In the 6th century, first Nahuatl-speaking peoples began to settle in Mexico. In the year of 1110, the Mexican traveled from their northern homeland of Aztlan and tried to find a location in which to settle, and they finally settled near Lake Texcoco, Chapultepec, in the year of 1248, but soon to be expelled by the Tepanecs. In the year of 1299, Mexicans settled in Tizapan. By the permission of the Calhuacan ruler Cacuxtli, and Tenochtitlan was finally be able to settle in Mexican. In the year of 1325. In the year of 1350, Tenochtitlan started building causeways with canals, and 20 years later, the religious ruler of the Mexican died, and starting of the year of 1376 to 1395, the first king of Tenochtitlan, Acmapachitli, was ruling, and the temple mayor was constructed on the year of 1390. The second king of Tenochtitlan, Huitzilihuitzli, ruled from the year of 1395 to 1417, and the third king, Camaltepocatl, who has his relatively short reign, was assassinated by the Tepaneca 10 years after. Then shortly after his death, there was a war with the Tepaneca for 3 years. In 1430, Azcapotzalco finally conquered, and the establishment of the Triple Alliance between the Mexican, the Acalhua and Tepanec occurred, and become the foundation of the empire in 1431. The fourth king of Tenochtitlan, Itzcatl, reigned the city for 13 years, from the year of 1427. In the year of 1452 to 1454, the city was severely damaged by flooding and famine, and the people of Mexico were suffered for 2 years. From the year of 1440 to 1502, Montezuma I, Azayactl, Tizoc, and the Huitzotl were reigning the city respectively, and the Great Temple, the sixth version of the temple, was renovated in the year of 1487, and, in 1492, Christopher Columbus was landing at Santo Domingo. The ninth king of Tenochtitlan, Montezuma II, who is the famous of the Aztec king, reigned from the year of 1502 for 12 years. However, a severe flooding happened again in the year of 1510 at the Lake Texcoco, and the appearance of a comet which believed to signify impending doom occurred in the year of 1517. This is the beginning of the falling empire. On March 4th, year of 1519, Hernan Cortes landed on the Yucatan Peninsula. He arrived in Tenochtitlan on November 8th and allied with the enemies of the Aztec, Tlaxcala, to begin assaulting the empire. On July 1st of 1520, the Spanish forces were driven back. The Spanish and their native allies suffered heavy losses. This is known as La Noche Triste, the Sad Night. In the year of 1520, the 10th king of Tenochtitlan, Cuauhtémoc, died from the first smallpox epidemic. Cuauhtémoc, the 11th king and the last king of the city, surrendered to Cortes on August 13th of 1521. The rebuild of the city by Spanish as Mexico City, capital of New Spain, happened in 1522. In the year of 1525, the last king was hung by the Spaniards, which ended the empire of Tenochtitlan.